Hey everyone, want to learn how to use Mega on Mac? In this video, I'll show you how to use Mega step by step on your Mac computer. Yeah, whether you're storing files, syncing folders, or managing cloud storage, this guide will help you get started easily. First, download and install the Mega Desktop app on your Mac. Make sure you install the official application and then open it from your applications folder. Next, sign in to the Mega app using your account email and password. Using the same Mega account allows you to access your cloud files and sync data across devices. After signing in, Mega will guide you through the initial setup. Choose the folders you want to sync between your Mac and your Mega cloud storage. Once syncing is enabled, open Finder on your Mac and locate the Mega folder. This folder works like a regular folder where you can add, remove, and organize your files. To upload files, simply drag documents, photos, or folders into your Mega folder. The app will automatically sync those files with your cloud storage. To download files, open your Mega folder or cloud storage, select the files you need, and save them to your preferred location on your Mac. You can also share files and folders with others. Right-click the item you want to share, choose the sharing option, and create a link or invitation, so you can easily collaborate or send files securely. To manage your settings, open the Mega application preferences. Here you can adjust sync options, notifications, and other account settings. If Mega is not syncing properly, check your internet connection, available storage space, and folder permissions. These quick checks can solve many common problems. And that's how you use Mega on Mac. With the Mega Desktop app, you can easily store, sync, and manage your files while keeping everything connected to your cloud account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.